Before we start this video, I would request you all to support my channel Adam's Tech Guide by clicking on this red subscribe button right below this video. Once you guys click on this red subscribe button, you will see this bell notification icon right next to it. Please make sure you click on this bell notification icon and click on this all in order to get the notifications and the updates for my future videos. And last but not least, if you guys like my videos, please click on this thumbs up button to show me your love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shabazz here from Adam's Tech Guide. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to access your computer files from outside your network. So you guys will be able to access your computer files and folders from any location remotely. You don't need your home network to access your files like how you do in your Wi-Fi network. You guys will be able to access your computer files from the internet. I'm gonna keep this video really simple to understand. It is going to be few steps and your work will be done. So yeah, without wasting any further ado, let's hit the intro and get started with the video. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, we have to install few applications. We go to Microsoft Store and we have to install the Python in our computer. Type in Python here and you will see this latest version of Python. When I'm recording this video, it is 3.13. So I can click here. Once you click here, you will get this button which says install. It's showing installed because I've already installed this application in my computer. Once this thing gets downloaded, we have to close this store. Now you have to go to Google and type in Ngrok, Ngrok, that's Ngrok, and you have to click on the first search result which says Ngrok download. Click here and it will open this page. You have to click on Windows. Since I'm using Windows computer, if you're using Mac or any other computer, you guys can click on that as well. So once you come to this page, you will see different OS here. You guys can select the OS of your choice. That's fine. Now here you have to go to the tab which says download. You will see this Windows 64-bit version. You can just click on download and it will download the application. Once you click on download, it will ask for a location to save this file. I'll click on desktop and I'll select save and it will save the application on a desktop. So now you have to make a folder in which you will place all the files and folders you want to share over the internet, which you can access from any location. So I've made this folder called Adams Shared. This is the folder in which I have different files which I want to share over the internet, which I want to access from outside my network. So I have this folder here. You have to place this application inside that folder which you want to share. So guys, make sure you are placing this application inside the folder which you want to share, and this is really important because without this it will not work. I mean, if you run this application on a desktop, it will share your entire desktop. So make sure you place this application inside the folder which you want to share. So after doing this, the next thing what we're gonna do is go to this page again and you have to log in to your account. Once you click on login, it will log in your account. It will probably ask you to select your Google account to log in. So I have used my Google account to log in. So once you are logged into your account, you will see this dashboard. Now you have to scroll down and you have to copy this token from here. This is your token key. You have to double click on Ngrok application. It will open the command prompt or terminal like this. You have to paste the command which you copied from that page and you have to press enter. Once you press enter, it says that auto token saved configuration file, and it has saved the configuration file in my Ngrok application. After you guys have done that, you guys have to come back to this folder again. You have to keep the shift button pressed and you have to right click again and you have to click on open PowerShell window here. Now this will again open a terminal, a PowerShell terminal. Now you have to copy the command. I will put this command in the description. You guys can just copy this command on the notepad so that you guys can use it later. You guys have to paste the command here which says Python-m as in Mike, then http.server. Now once you have done this, you have to just press enter. Now it will say serving HTTP on port 8000 and it will just give you this thing here. Now it shows that the file sharing server is running on port 8000. So now you're gonna have to just minimize this, keep it running in the background. Guys, do not close this because if you close this, this server will stop. So just minimize this And now you have to again open the Ngrok. You have to type in the command Ngrok, the name of the application, and then space, and then type in http, and then space, and then type in 8000. So that's Ngrok space http space 8000. This is the command which you have to enter here. Again, I'm going to put all these commands in the description. You guys can just go and copy these commands from the description and press enter. Once you do that, it will say session status online, and it will give you forwarding link here. So this is the link wherein our folder is live. You can just take a note of this link to use it later. Once you move outside your network, you can just paste this in your remote computer's browser, and you guys will be able to access the folder. This entire thing will be accessible, these three things, from the outside network. That's how this thing works. Now I have a phone with me which is connected to a 5G network which is outside my Wi-Fi network. Let's go to that phone and try entering this URL in the web browser and see if we are able to access these files from our phone. So yeah, let's switch the camera and go to our phone. So guys, this is the phone which we will be using for our today's video. I have already copied the link which we got in our computer. So let me just focus on the screen so that you guys can see things clearly. I'm gonna reduce the brightness as well. I'm using the 5G network. Let me just focus. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm on the 5G network. This is Google Chrome, and I'll just paste the link which we've copied from the computer. So this is the link which was there in the computer. As you guys can see, I know the link is this. Okay, so just enter visit site. So I'm just gonna press here. Okay, now as you guys can see, we've got the directory here, and we have the folders called video and wallpapers. Let me see if we can access them as well. Just click on wallpapers, and these are the wallpapers which I have on inside the folder. Let me just click one of them to open. As you guys can see, it's opening here, and I can also go to videos. So you guys will not be able to stream directly, since this is the kind of FTP server, I can say. It's just like, you know, kind of broadcasting your files and folders from your computer. So you guys won't be able to stream directly, but if you click on it, it will download, and then you will be able to play. Now you guys won't be able to upload anything from your phone, because this is the one-way traffic which we are accessing. We are sharing this folder using our Python application on our computer using the port 8000. So it's running there. It's not running on my phone, so that I can share my files as well. So I won't be able to upload any of my phone's file or any of the you know, remote systems file in here, because this is the one-way traffic only. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you share your contents from your computer to the internet, so that you can access those files anywhere from any location. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you access your computer file from outside your network. You will be able to access your files from any location. You guys will be able to browse your computer files. You guys will be able to download your computer files. You guys will be able to use your computer files from anywhere. See, these are the logs which got created, and these are the files which I tried accessing it. It is giving us the logs with a timestamp as well at this time. So it's showing us at this time you opened the folders which is wallpapers, and then at this time you opened the image which is Pearl PK, or whatever it is. So these are the images which has been opened, and I tried accessing the folder which is I tried accessing videos folder, and I tried you know, opening these videos. So this will also be handy for you to monitor whatever is happening in your shared folder, and you guys will be able to manage or maintain the security as well. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions for this video, you guys can feel free to write your questions in the comments box down there. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel Adam's Tech Guide, please do so. Please make sure to click on the bell icon which is right next to the subscribe button. Thank you guys again for joining me in this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.